All right. Madison must have some connection stuff today. Hopefully everyone can hear me. Oh my gosh. My gosh, my son was playing songs on Google this morning, and now they're stuck in my head. So if I start singing Ching Chang Walla Walla Bing Bang, it's his fault. But he's gone. Yesterday we did imperial metric. Today we're going to need this bad boy, which is just kind of a review of everything that we've done thus far. I'm going to go over here for a sec. I'm going to, when I do everything today, these are the blank ones for perimeter area and surface area. We're going to post those. If you have a printer and have lots of ink and all of that, you can print them. They're, I think, that one I think is 6 pages. That would take probably 2 days to go through because I probably will do perimeter. And, well, I don't know. This is so hard to pace and figure out time, but I will post those. One thing I didn't get to yesterday was answering the questions in here, the new ones. So I will put, oh wait, I thought I did. Maybe I did later. I'm close. Poo. Maybe I just have to update that file. Until I hear a bing like I'm waiting for someone. No, I think I did all of those yesterday afternoon. Spinning wheel, spinning wheel, spinning wheel. So what I have here today, now that this is, oh yeah, there. I will update that file with the answers to all of those imperial metric ones that I did yesterday. Get out of my head. So today what I wanted to look at is I've snipped questions from, now because I'm not that smart and I clicked the wrong button, that was not the file I wanted to open. All right, be that way. Come on. You can do it. So like I just snipped a little bit out of this one. And I went down to here and took a couple, took a couple, took a couple, and took a couple. Because it's just review, it's some extra practice. If we were at school, it would be an assignment. I may make a short version of that and put it under assignments just so I can have something that you can try, so I can have another mark, because I don't know if they're going to change report card marks or anything like that in the next little bit. I need to do this, put the pricing in. All right, so here we go. The first thing is just a little chart. We have to remember our stuff. You'll just D is the prefix for deci. G is gram. That amount is, because it's gram, that is 1/10 of a gram. So this all goes back to that original chart. You actually can use kind of this idea, this little, what just happened? Apparently just decided to go bye-bye. The conversion table that we've been using, if we fill that in. Remember, that's a 1.1. That idea for this chart, hectoliters. Well, the abbreviation is HL, and that's on the. And I totally messed up those ones. It's 10, 100, and 1,000, but in terms of grams, it's that. Little m milliliter. And this is one, that should be liters. Centigram. I like to go that way first. A centimeter is 0.01 of a meter, so a centigram is 0.01 of a gram. 1,000 liters. 1,000 is a kilo. Or KL. So filling in that chart as best we can. That's the idea there. So far so good, I hope. Then we have our metric conversion, which I should have. I'll go steal one thing out of here. I'm gonna steal this one because it works a little bit. It's a little bit more what? Universal. What is going on? Why are you not letting me take a snapshot? Oh, that's unfortunate. We're gonna let Morgan in first. I don't know why that's not working. Let's go to the back door and use this part. Sorry, technical difficulties. There we go. Sorry. That was weird. So whether it's meters, grams, or liters, we're going to use this idea. So we're at, this is question 2, 12.9 kilometers, and I want to go to meters. That's 3 steps. Going to the, well, to my right is divide by 1,000 to 0.0129.
We're in our math meeting right now. Can you not see that?
I'm going to go down here. Oh, there we go. These things happen. So going from to the right. No, I've done that completely wrong. I apologize. Erase that. Going to the right is multiply. Going to the left is divide. So times, because there's 1,000 meters per kilometer, 2900. I have no idea what just happened. Are we all still there? Let's see. We're still recording. We're still there. Everyone looks like they're still there. My notebook file just crashed. Well, let me see what's going to happen now when I do this. I'm going to have lost something. I'm sorry. I have no clue what happened there. Wow, that one's loading. Let's export this as a PDF. Yes, I want to overwrite that. All right. Well, I lost that bit. I'm not going to try to cut that thing in there again because it decided it didn't like it. So 12.9 kilometers, 3 steps is 1,000, is 12900 meters. Save. Millimeters to meters is going in the opposite direction. A very small amount of millimeters. Again, this one happens to be, I go here, 3 steps. Let's divide by, oh dear, 0.1234 meters. My calculator is going to be, now today it's not converting to scientific notation. I don't know. This is upsetting and confusing. So we've done metric conversion. Let people write that for a sec. I rage about whatever just happened. That. What? Wait a sec. Huh? Am I sharing my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Someone let me know. Because it just stopped sharing. Okay. Because normally there's a red border. Okay, we're good. Normally there's a red border around my screen when it's sharing. I'm confused if it, well, just in case. Okay, good. Because something was popping. That's popping up. I don't know. I think it might be time for a reboot. So the questions on, I think it's number 3 or C, same idea, metric conversions, kiloliters, and I did the script K and L. Going to liters is to the right, so that's times 1,000. 1.2 kiloliters would be 1,200. Centigrams to decagrams. Ooh, that's a nifty one. So I'm going to go back here. Centigrams is here. Decagrams is there. Oh, 1, 2, 3 steps to the left, which means divide. What are the odds? I picked 4 examples, and all of them have a factor of 1,000. 0.105 decagrams. Save. Earworms suck. So far, so good. Again, this should all be reviewed. We're going to skip down to yards, to inches, oh, and here. All right, go away. No. This one I want, that picture. Adobe should open quicker. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, apparently you can't. Cool. We're going to open that one because I know there's an image there, because I'm going to steal the big picture thing. Inches to yards. I guess we can do this. Oh, I'm sorry. Feels all right. While we're here, we'll paste that in there. So Right now, we just want to use this one. We'll use the other one here in a little bit. So we start with 512 inches. Inches. I'm going to go to yards, so I need to divide by 12 inches per foot. And then we need to divide by 3. And that should give us our answer. If you remember the factor of 36, just divide that by 36. That's all good too. Divided by 12 equals, divided by 3 equals 14.22 yards. Give me a second to write that down. And this is very 10.2 feet to inches is 1 step, just to multiply by, I cannot, it's 122.4. Whoops. Might be right. Oh, sweet. Inches. Couple more, and then it's practice time, and I'll try to get all of those answers done. I might just, because there's so many of them, I'll just put a page with answers. If you have specific questions, you can message me. You know, what are the odds that I can do this? Shrinkaroo. Oh no. Shrinkaroo. That's a little better. Again, everyone will get boo earns. I picked 2 boring one-step ones. That's for fun. Change one of these. Let's change miles to feet. Why not? Because that's going to be a big number. Just because I'll do the, well, here, let's do the miles one first. And then do feet, 9.2 kilometers. Going from kilometers to miles, which tells me I need to divide by 1.6. That's going to give us 5 3/4, 5.75 miles. But hey, for fun, if I change that to feet, we're going from miles to feet, so we're going to multiply by 1,760 yards per mile. Then we're going to multiply that by 3 feet per yard, because I already have that times 1,760 times 3. So 9.2 kilometers is 30,360 feet. Because why not? Boring old main pick 2. 17 meters, 2 feet. We need to go up to here, meters to feet. tells me to divide. Well, it would help if I use the right button, 55.7. Then we could convert that to all of those. So now let's see if I can open that up again. Just, I don't know, my Adobe is, oh, there we go. So, go away. Now it seems to be working. Whatever. We have filling in a chart. Now, how much you do today is kind of up to you. If you're like super confident and these don't take any time, you can get everything done. If you're rushed for time or what, I would suggest doing like as much of that table as you can. And like the left side, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or the right side. The more of these you do, the better and easier these are going to become. And the better you're going to get with them. So, I'm sorry. This is so... Hopefully something can get figured out soon. This would be so much easier in a room with all of you there. But we shall endure. The more practice you do, the better you're going to get. I'm going to probably try to put together a short assignment, which like I would stick that chart at the top and be like, convert. It might be 2 or 3 questions per type, and that's about it. And if I do that, I'll put it in the assignments folder. You'd get a notification, just like we did the thing earlier. I also have, now I've got the spinning wheel of fun. I'll probably, the longer this lasts, the more stuff I will probably have to do another assignment, but this is very, very disconcerting. But if everyone is good with that, I'm going to do this, so eventually I can do attendance. If there are no questions, get some of that practice done, and we will see you tomorrow. If you have questions, you can use the chat function. If you just want to talk to me, you can email me, any one of those things, but have a good rainy Wednesday morning. See ya. Have a good day. Bye.